Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to export videos in HD using CapCut on your Android device. To get started, open the CapCut app and complete your video editing project. Once you're finished, tap the export button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, choose your export settings. Set the resolution to 1080p or a higher option if your device supports it. You can also adjust the frame rate to 30 fps or 60 fps for smoother video playback. If available, select a higher bitrate to improve the overall video quality. After selecting your preferred settings, tap Export and wait for CapCut to process your video. The export time will depend on the length of your video and your device's performance. Once the export is complete, your HD video will be saved to your device's gallery. You can now share it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform without losing quality. And that's it, you've successfully exported a video in HD using CapCut. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.